Do you have something to say, Mr. Raccoon Shirt? Say something. Yeah? Maybe a smile? What else? What else? Yeah? Talk to me. Ready? Tell me everything you were telling me before. Say it again. Tell me again. Now you're shy. There you go. No? Okay. See you later then. Oh, good. More? You have more to say? Billy? What else do you have to say?